Step into a world where the sun always shines along the coastal drive, and the waves gently kiss the shore. Welcome to the realm of elegance and luxury, where the latest creation from ECD Auto Design reigns supreme, the Beach Runner. With its stunning pink exterior and interior, this masterpiece of automotive design is more than just an iconic truck. It's a statement, a symbol of style, sophistication, and fun. It is the epitome of individuality, which is the heartbeat of ECD. The Beach Runner is already receiving accolades as the perfect beach vehicle. It is a perfectly balanced, luxurious, iconic classic with a modern twist. This newest edition hits the coastline, demonstrating that bold can still be sophisticated, with standard upgrades like a 21-in-1 accessory carrier that will carry everything you need, an integrated air compressor, and detachable portable sound system. You will not miss a beat on your beach day. Picture this: the sun shines over a pristine beach, casting a warm glow over the sand and sea. A sleek silhouette appears on the horizon, gliding effortlessly along the coastline. It is the Beach Runner, a vision in pink, turning heads and stealing hearts with every curve of its immaculate design. It makes a statement that you are no stranger to distinctive style while you own the road for that moment. Now you step inside this iconic yet unique creation, and as you open the door, the power retractable side steps automatically fold down, allowing you to step inside with ease. Quickly, you see the luxury and comfort of the Beach Runner's interior. Plush pink leather seats invite you to sink in and relax, while the rev of the engine excites your senses. The dashboard gleams with polished chrome accents, vintage gauges, and the latest technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of the interior. Take hold of this gorgeous heritage wood and polished chrome Momo Grand Prix style steering wheel and prepare for adventure. It's not just about looks. Each Beach Runner is a powerhouse on the road with a finely tuned, powerful GM 455 horsepower LT1 engine. It cruises with absolute authority. Whether you're driving on the beach, coastline, or navigating city streets, this beauty handles with grace and precision. The true magic of this Beach Runner isn't just in its appearance or performance, it's in the way it makes you feel. As you bask in the glow of its pink perfection, you can't help but feel like you've stepped straight out of a bold yet sophisticated imagination. So, if you're ready to experience the ultimate in luxury and elegance, look no further than the ECD Auto Design Beach Runner. Built in America by the world's finest craftsmen and women, this dream-inspired masterpiece is sure to be a showstopper wherever you go. So why wait? Take the wheel and let the adventure begin.